If you've been following this channel, you probably recognize this keyboard, right? It's the Cosmic Byte GK18. Well, guess what that is? It's the newest GK19 Sirius, a wireless mechanical keyboard. One of you very helpfully pointed that out on Discord, so shout out to them. But I think Cosmic Byte was looking at their sales and constantly seeing that this keyboard was going out of stock. So they thought, yeah, it's about time they expanded their product repository. So they added one more extra thing. So the GK19 Sirius, as it is called, is a mechanical automove brown switch keyboard. So browns are tactile switches. We already know about blues and reds, right? Red is a linear switch which we have here, and the blues are clicky switches that make a lot of sound. Browns are somewhat in the middle ground. They don't make as much noise as clicky blue switches, but you do feel that tactile bump every time you hit the bottom. That's what she said. This probably has a lot more features than a mechanical brown switch and wireless operation. I mean, you see those dials on either sides, right? My guess is the software will allow you to control brightness or maybe volume with those two things. And of course, it has per key RGB, which we are not surprised. Even their normal keyboards have a per key RGB via software update. It's a bit more expensive on Amazon.in at 4,500, which is pretty much twice the cost as this thing, right? It has a 1000 mAh built-in battery, so I guess that can be charged with the same USB port. I mean, they don't show the USB port anywhere, so I'm not really sure, but given the price point, I think it should be USB-C. There is a button right there that allows you to switch from Bluetooth mode to USB mode. I'm not sure why you would need a button, like when you plug in the USB, doesn't it automatically switch? But still, the wireless multi-device support is a pretty welcome change. I mean, imagine having a mechanical keyboard that you can connect across 3 devices. I would have been amazed if it was under 4,000 because there aren't a lot of great options under 4,000. And secondly, if it was a 60% keyboard instead of a normal TKL form factor, I would have surely bought it. Now, I'm not gonna buy this one because even though it is cool and wireless, I already have a TKL keyboard and I don't have a need for another TKL keyboard. I am looking for a 60% keyboard, as some of you probably know. So yeah, if this was 60%, then I would have a chance to try out the brown switches on that. But it looks really dope though. What do you think? Cosmic Byte is definitely stepping up their game, knowing that their sales are going higher. Maybe because people like me keep on making videos on their keyboards. But still, let me know what your thoughts are on the new GK19 Sirius. It's seriously impressive.